Hey, we're back with a brand new episode of Two Fatties Trying.
Hey guys, so today we have a new box from Snackcrate themselves. We are going to be opening, you want to open that?
Do it. Very sharp knife.
Don't play with knives, kid.
So, today's Snackcrate is from
Hawaii!
So, here we are.
Yum.
What do we see?
So, we see some chippies, of course. We got two different kinds. And then some, I see stuff I like. Okay, so let's stay with like our tradition of like opening chips first, right?
Let's do it.
But I've already had these kinds, so I kind of want to try these. So these are Maui style onion flavored potato chips. You can see that. I'm assuming they're gonna be like the other. Oh no, those are a different kind. Okay, so onion flavored. Don't smell very oniony.
Those are good.
Yeah, not too oniony. They kind of give that like Funyun vibe. Okay, you pick
know
one.
what?
What?
This box is from Hawaii.
Yeah.
Our other boxes usually come from a different country.
Oh yeah.
This is a state. That's cool.
Yeah.
That's cool. But let's just keep going.
I think it's because like not a lot of people could go there.
Yeah, we can't afford the flight. So, Maui Car Max. Like, not like the car buying website, but...
That's Carfax.
No, Car Max, it's like a car
No.
dealership.
Oh, but Carfax. I thought that's what
Okay,
you
let's just
meant.
jump into this.
So what do you think it is? Or does this describe what it is? Like macadamia?
Macadamia is covered in milk chocolate, obviously. And there's two little ones, so...
I don't want a whole one.
Alright.
Mmm. Those are delicious. You feel like you're on an island.
Oh, good.
Those are really good.
Mm-hmm.
Very caramely. Caramely. Mm-hmm.
Dig in.
Ooh. Okay. Chocomoki chocolate covered Japanese rice crackers. So I've had the rice crackers before. They're like not my favorite though. I always kind of like push them to the side like in those mixes. So let's see. It says Island Princess, Hawaii's finest macadamia nuts, chocolates, and confections. Since 1986. Neither of us were born that year.
I was born the year after.
And me the year after that.
They look like flat chocolate raisins. Whoa.
Definitely better. Covered in chocolate. I like these.
It's different.
Don't look, just pick. Cheater.
This one is almost hard to read. It says Aloha Pizza. Pizza? No. Piaca, I think.
I don't know.
It's hard to read.
Open. Oh, it's a Piaca pineapple shortbread. I love pineapple.
It just like wants to fall apart.
Well, it's shortbread. I think that's like.
And there's like some shit stuff in it.
It's filling.
It smells like a big Newton.
Very shortbready. The pineapple's really, really sweet. I like it though. For not being like a pineapple lover, what do you think?
I wouldn't buy it. It's good, but it's not like my cup of tea.
That's Great Britain, y'all. See, I told you.
But it still says Hawaii.
Well, yeah. Maybe, I don't know.
That's cool how it has February
Oh, look at it.
2019.
Yeah, there's a lot of goodies in this one. Oh yeah. Why is there so many Asian things? These are rainbow belts. Asia trans. Yeah, they look very sugary.
Mm-hmm.
I like the packaging though. It's clear in the back so you can totally see them. I like sour belts though. They're one of my favorite candies. Little piece.
Little rainbows.
Little piece.
I don't think
Oh
it's
my God.
sour.
Mm-mm.
It's definitely not sour.
No, but it doesn't say sour.
I'm swallowing this one.
That's what she said. Yeah, it's not sour at all. It's just like sugar, but not bad.
Not good.
I didn't think they were that bad.
They're just weird.
On to the next.
Next is Tana Crunch. Chocolate covered macadamia nuts with rice crisp. I don't know about that one. I feel like we just had that.
Something similar.
And they come all fancy. Two little nuggets. You just want to just do one and one?
Yeah.
And yeah, wait for me.
Feel right. I was excited to get chocolate. It reminds me of something. Like a Crunch bar.
But hard.
Yeah, because it has like the extra nuts in it. Pretty good. I'd buy them. I want to go back to some these.
Don't hurt yourself.
I know. So I've totally had these before, but for the sake of the video, we're gonna try them. I mean, I don't think I've bought them, honestly, but I've had them before.
Well, when have you been
They're
to
barbecue.
Hawaii?
So you like barbecue?
When have you been to Hawaii to try them?
Never, but they sell them in the States. They're just hard. Like, more than normal, like, Lay's or anything. They're a little spicy.
Hints, yeah.
They're like barbecue flavor, but it does say sweet and spicy. And the spicy is definitely there.
It's a good spice, though.
Yeah. I like
It's a good
them.
one.
I don't know if I could, honestly though, if I could eat like the whole bag of them. Because they're pretty spicy.
Is there two of them? Is there two of them? There is. Little pineapples.
Those are so cute.
Boom.
Oh my god.
They're like a gummy worm, but a gummy pineapple.
Look at how cute those are.
I don't like pineapple. I like pineapple, like Cactus Cooler.
Ooh, they're like, they're dancing.
Ooh,
Oh my
it
God,
smells
I
like
almost dropped
smells
it.
like a pineapple candy.
It smells like alcohol. Oh my god, yes.
Actually, that's pretty good.
That is so good. I love that. Is there more? There's more. Dibs.
I would let you buy those for me to eat.
Yes, dibs. Those are so good.
They're not too hard, not too soft. They're just, you know?
Full of flavor.
Sometimes gummy bears, gummy worms, they get kind of hard, but these just...
Yeah. That was bomb.
That was good.
Okay.
We might gotta split that pineapple open later.
I already called dibs. So, these are Hawaiian Cookies candy bed. Not bread. Bed.
The
So-
typo?
I don't know. They're made by Diamond Bakery. Hawaii original since 1921. So, they look like little sprinkle cookies. Uh-oh. Didn't open it right. They're like little animal cookies, but with the sprinkles in them.
They're probably gonna be like coconut.
I didn't say.
It doesn't say, but probably.
Mm-mm. I like those. Those are good. They're definitely like the mother's cookies.
Mm-hmm.
Remember those?
Mm-hmm.
I like that style. But they're not too sweet, not too hard. So.
Oh, I just saw a second one of those pineapple things.
They're still mine.
Dude, what's hers is hers and mine is hers.
Mm-hmm.
That's life.
So, Haichu I've had before. I did not know that it was a Hawaiian brand. I always thought it was Japan. But, I mean, oh, it is. Maybe it's just because it's like whole, like pineapple, so it's Hawaiian themed. I don't know. Snackcrate, are you running out of things to put?
And they're just going down and finding whatever.
So, I actually really like Haichu's. Definitely super chewy, and they're always really packed with flavor.
That one's a little slippery.
So it's just like a little starburst kind of thing, different shapes though, and they got like the flavor inside. So.
It makes you burp, apparently.
I like those a lot.
I can really taste the pineapple.
Mm-hmm. I've never had this flavor.
Are they all pineapple?
Uh-huh. Yeah.
Huh. You can have those.
I'm kind of scared about these though.
What's it say?
38 calories, Jesus.
Plum candy is hard as like a rock. Let's just open it.
Plum candy, yep. I'm still chewing.
Me too. It's like a dried up plum, probably.
Yeah. It obviously doesn't want us to eat it. Like, I'm having difficulty.
It's telling us no.
It's a lot of calories, though. I probably shouldn't. I mean, like
it's like an eyeball.
Ew, don't say that.
It does. I mean, it's about the same size. Should I just jump into it? So it's really sticky on the outside. And that definitely is probably a fruit on the inside.
A plum. Ugh. That, no. Is it gonna make you poop? Because of plum?
I do not like that at all. Just lick it.
Why is it so salty?
Why is this even in the box? I'm done. Look at that. Where's your bag? Where's your barf bag?
It's like, what are those old people candies? Oh, like caramel, or not caramel, but like the Werther's candy.
I don't know.
That's what like the main part tastes like, but I'm trying not to taste the plum.
I like plums, just not like super dry and hard and salty.
I don't know, but I will say that Hawaii has a lot of good snacks, even though some of them came from fucking not Hawaii. But I mean, I liked the majority of these a lot. I think maybe just these that I'm still eating for some reason. Yeah.
That was cool.
Well, guys, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching.
If you like these videos, you could go to snackcrate.com, order up. They send you these boxes once a month. They have 2 different price ranges for the amount of stuff you want. Snackcrate.
Totally worth it.
Snackcrate did good today, huh, in Hawaii.
Yes.
We were expecting a different country, but Hawaii's good.
You know, we really want to make more videos, so if you guys think of things that you would like us to try, spicy things, gross things, sour things, if you guys have any ideas to make new videos, put them in the comments and we'll read them and we'll take them into consideration because we love making videos. Follow me on Instagram. I am OMG It's Janie.
And I'm at The Real Tim Mello. Feel free to hit subscribe. And until next time.
Bye.